Hello, welcome you to channel Maths Magic. Today we will learn how to find different trigonometric ratios based on understanding which we have learned in previous two videos. You have already learned how to label right angle triangle, and you also have learned what are different trigonometric ratios. Now we have a practice question over here. You can see you have six questions, and each question are given with six different parts to answer. So we have three different trigonometric ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, and again sine phi, cos phi, tan phi. Basically we are having three ratios: sine, cos, tan, with different angles. I'll solve one question for you and you can practice remaining questions. So I'll erase the remaining questions so that I can explain you only part A. So I'll just erase this and then I'll zoom this for better view. Okay, now you can see that we have two different angles, so I'll consider angle at a time. So over here I'll just copy and then okay, so I just did this for the sake of simplicity. Over here I'll just erase this phi and then I'll erase this theta. To answer first three questions I'll use the first triangle, and remaining three I'll use the second triangle. So let's go for it. If you remember, we have learned this. So ka to. So sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan theta opposite upon adjacent. So let's write part 1, sine theta opposite upon hypotenuse, cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse, and then tan theta opposite upon adjacent. So before we answer this question, we will label the first triangle according to this theta. So you know that side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse, side opposite to theta is opposite, and side adjacent to theta, or the remaining one, is the adjacent itself. So over here, first part, we have opposite upon hypotenuse. So opposite is A and hypotenuse is C in the first triangle, and second triangle we have second part we have adjacent upon hypotenuse. So adjacent is B and hypotenuse is again C, and the last one is opposite upon adjacent. So opposite over here is again A and adjacent is B. So these are the answer for first three parts. Now I'll use the second triangle to answer the remaining three. So the ratios are again same. It's sine phi, again it's opposite upon hypotenuse, and cos phi adjacent upon hypotenuse, and tan phi it's opposite upon adjacent. Okay, so I'll just use this. Before we answer these questions, we have to label this again. So opposite to this 90 is hypotenuse, opposite to phi is opposite itself, and the remaining is adjacent. Okay, now we can easily answer this. So opposite and hypotenuse, over here opposite is B and hypotenuse is C. Again adjacent upon hypotenuse, so adjacent is A and hypotenuse is C. And opposite upon adjacent, so opposite is B and adjacent is A. So I have answered the question part A with all different ratios completely. Hope you must have understood everything. If you still have any doubts, kindly comment and let me know. I'll try and solve the questions if you cannot understand. And just go back to the beginning of this video and practice remaining questions. Thank you for watching.